Welcome back to HowToFormula. Today we'll show you how to effectively showcase a promotion on your resume. Promotions highlight your growth, dedication, and ability to take on new challenges, setting you apart from other candidates. Let's start with structuring your resume to showcase your promotion effectively. There are a few methods you can use depending on your specific situation. The first method is combining entries, perfect if you were promoted within the same department or role. Here's how to do it. Start with the company name followed by your overall tenure, then list your different job titles and the corresponding dates under the company name. The second method is using separate entries. This is useful if your roles were very different or if you moved to a different department. The third method is the functional format, which focuses more on skills and achievements rather than the chronological order of your jobs. This can be useful if you have a complex career path with many promotions. Here are some tips for each method. Make sure your job titles clearly reflect the promotion. Highlight key achievements and responsibilities that demonstrate your growth. Use bullet points to keep your resume clean and easy to read. Customize your resume for each job application to highlight the most relevant experience. And that's it. By following these tips, you can effectively showcase your promotion on your resume and stand out to potential employers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to HowToFormula for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and good luck with your job search.